Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to another installment of the group of videos that I'm doing with the Goodwill, where I transform different spaces throughout the house using the same thrifted items that I got from the Goodwill. So today we're gonna be doing this outdoor space right here. Now, the grill is like right over here on this side, and then there's there was nothing really here before, and I put this outdoor sofa here because I just wanted like this area to be kind of like a destination area, because when I'm grilling and cooking over there, I don't know, people don't really want to go hang out with me. I feel like all alone and stuff, so I'm like, well, if I create this really cool sitting area right here, then people are gonna want to like hang out right here, and then like it'll be like another seating area, eating area, and all that stuff for when I'm cooking and when we're having people over, because we always have people over so much. So it's gonna be like really exciting to fix up this area and see how it looks once I have like a really formal like actual sitting area there, and I think it's gonna look fantastic. So right now I just have this one like kind of like a little love seat right there that I have, and then I have another umbrella right here to create a little bit more shade, and that is pretty much it. The stand kind of doubles as like another little side table, but that's my current existing furniture that I have in the space. So I think we're gonna form a plan of attack. I think I really want to anchor it by putting a carpet on the floor, because carpets always kind of like, they kind of like carve out like a specific area without actually putting up like walls or anything. So like once there's like a carpet there, like okay, like that's like an area, you know? And then we'll have the sofa. I'm gonna bring over those two chairs that we got, and then maybe a side table, and then some decor pieces to tie it all together, and I think it's going to look fantastic. So I'm going to start grabbing those pieces right now. Oh, and we're gonna also get a coffee table. Hopefully the sun isn't too intense right now. So right now we're gonna start working on this area, so I'll be right. First thing I have is this carpet. It's a 7 by 10 carpet, so I'm hoping that it's not too big for the area. I kind of want like a large, nice carpet in this area out here, and we'll see how it is. So I think I have to move the umbrella and the furniture a little bit, but let's see how much space we actually need first. Like it's really backlit because the sun is like right back there, but this is how the carpet's looking. I am so obsessed with the pattern. I'm so obsessed with the tassels. It's so much fun. So that's the first thing that we brought in, and now let's bring in some more furniture pieces. Okay, you guys, so this is what I've come up with so far. I have right there, I have this bare coffee table that I thrifted a while back, and I've just been waiting to like find a spot to use it, but there's the carpet. It looks fantastic. I got the umbrella on here and opened it, so that's kind of why it's shaded. It's just super sunny and super duper hot that I just had to have some shade here, so excuse the umbrella being open. But now I'm gonna bring in the rest of our pieces. And I have my wood stump right here that I want to place right here in this little corner, right there. And I also have my planter that I wanted to place there. Then this chair, I'm placing right over here. Then I have my plant. Right there. And I do want to place this guy right here in the middle of this. And I do have my little coasters that I'm going to place right there if anyone wants to use them. Okay, so now time for the pillows, and I have quite a few. Okay guys, so this is the little area that we created. I am so happy, I'm so excited, I love it so much. So we have, that was the existing chair, and that was pretty much all we had here other than this side table umbrella. We brought in our 2 chairs right there, our coffee table, our little side table. I brought in my, I call him Brother Bear. Brother Bear is here now. He's sitting in the middle. He's the coffee table centerpiece. And then that's actually another coffee table that I've had, but I kind of used it as like a large side table. And I'm actually probably going to stack more plants there eventually, but I'm really liking how it looks right there in the corner, and that is how it's looking. So some of the design stuff that I use here, I know you guys are going to ask, are I played off the colors off of that one pillow. So that is my favorite pillow, the pillow with the pelicans on it, and it has blue, white, and orange, and those are the colors that I have here: blue, white, and orange. And then the green is, of course, it's natural, so you can't like change that, but that's where we picked the colors. And then I did like, there's a little bit of a rule of 3 right there. I stacked 3 pillows right there, and then there's 1, so it's kind of like an odd man out situation right there, but it just creates more visual interest. And then for these 2 pillows right here, I had them matching with that one, so it all kind of just brings everything together. And then we have the black with the black, and then the natural wood tones, and voila, there we go. So, and one quick like addition too that we can do is we can do like a little cluster of vases in the corner. This have, like, you can use this inside, outside, wherever, on a bookcase, console table, coffee table, whatever. But I just wanted to add a little, like a couple little vases right there, and I feel like that really does complete the look. That is going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little restyle of this area of the backyard. Again, I finally have a seating area right here, and then I can force people to hang out with me while I'm cooking. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Tune in for the new videos that I'm doing with the Goodwill that are going to be going up very, very shortly. And don't forget to check out today's vlog. It goes up at 2. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. And I have just been like kind of at a disparity trying to figure out what exactly I want in this space. So right here I kind of have like a little sitting area for the kids where they eat, and there's like a little table. This is super old. I probably painted it like 4 or 5 times already at this point, or at least tried to finishing it. And just because of the sun and the damage from the chlorine, the paint's always just like coming off. I just repainted this actually probably, I